Welcome back to another video. If you're seeing the CapCut network error and you're unable to use templates, effects, or other online features, then this video is exactly what you need. Today, I'll show you a simple method that works for both Android and iPhone users. Before we get started, I have one small request. Please watch this video until the very end, because if you skip even one step, the method may not work properly. Every step is important. And here's a challenge for you. If this method doesn't work, you don't have to subscribe, but if it solves your problem, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss future tutorials. Now let's fix the problem. First, open the CapCut app. In the top right corner, tap the settings icon. You'll see an option called Clear Cache. Tap it and clear the cache. This removes temporary files that can sometimes cause network or loading issues. Next, close CapCut completely. Now go to the Play Store if you're using Android or the App Store if you're using an iPhone. Search for CapCut and check if there's an update available. If you see an update button, install the latest version before continuing. Many network issues are fixed simply by updating the app. Now comes the most important step. Download the VPN that I'm showing on the screen. It has a blue-colored logo. Once the VPN is installed, open it and connect to the auto server. Don't change any other settings unless I show you to do so. After the VPN is connected, don't open CapCut immediately. First, make sure CapCut is completely closed from the recent apps. Then reopen CapCut. If you're using an iPhone, there's one extra step. Open Settings, go to General, then VPN and Device Management, and make sure your VPN is connected properly. Once you've confirmed that, go back to CapCut and clear the cache one more time. Now try uploading your video or opening the Templates and Effects section. In most cases, the network error should now be gone. If you still want to download templates or effects, here's one more trick. Keep CapCut running in the background. Disconnect the VPN once, then immediately open CapCut again. Now check the Templates or Effects section. You should be able to download and use them without any problems. If it doesn't work on the first attempt, don't worry. Follow every step carefully and try again. Sometimes missing a small step can prevent the method from working correctly. If this tutorial helped you, please support the channel by liking this video, subscribing, and sharing it with your friends who are facing the same CapCut network issue. Also, let me know in the comments what tutorial you'd like to see next. Whether it's CapCut, video editing, AI tools, or mobile tips, I'll make a detailed video for you. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Take care, stay safe, and bye.